Torre del Greco rises between the blue of the Gulf of Naples and the shadows of Mount Vesuvius, a city shaped by two powerful elements, lava and waves. Here the strength of nature becomes art, identity, and memory. This coastal town is renowned for its deep-rooted coral craftsmanship, a centuries-old tradition where the red treasures of the sea are sculpted into jewelry and sacred art. Along the streets, artisans still shape coral and cameos with the same delicate passion passed down through generations. But Torre del Greco is also a maritime city, where life has always danced with the rhythm of the tides. Its port is lively and authentic, home to fishing boats, shipyards, and a strong seafaring spirit that has marked its people. This is a place of salt air and nets drying in the sun, of resilience and stories whispered by the sea. At the same time, Vesuvius watches from above, both protector and threat, reminding the town of its volcanic heritage. The dark lava stone used in architecture gives the city a unique and powerful beauty, etched in contrast against the bright Mediterranean light. Torre del Greco is a place of contrasts and harmony, where fire meets water, where craft meets nature. A city with a soul forged by time, passion, and the eternal embrace of earth and sea.